Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. Hey, we are live. We are live, boys. Let's do this. Good morning, Jaraj. Good morning, Timbo. Nathan Ramirez. Good morning, Mr. Wall Street. Good morning. Something for people to ponder while we are in the midst of a pullback. 1921 depression, 1929 depression. What is the midpoint of those years? 25. Hey, things that make you go, Am I the only one frightened by today's nutty AI image? Good morning, Timbo. I was wondering. I was playing with AI this morning. Be warned. V33, good morning. Ronnie B, Miss Trading, Best Guest Trading, good morning. Rippin' and dippin'. Gutenberg, good morning. Black Coffee Trader in the house, good morning. Hubert Almighty, Daryl Bapty. Hey, good morning, Ike. Good morning, Ike. Good to see you. Clarity, Dan Taloy, Dan, RH, Design Knob, Mr. Wall Street, good morning. Dean Bishop, RH again, Stu. Let's go, Matty Matt. Good morning. Requested 11,937 last night. Now I have to sit on my hands and wait for approval. That's right, Matty Matt. Don't even think about trading those accounts. I requested last night as well on these accounts right here. We requested a total of $1,200 per account, aka $6,000. So hope we get those approved here in a little bit. I said buy calls in the VIX yesterday at the top, just saying. This dude, that was insane. Hey, Mad Cow, good morning. Ronnie, good morning. Lawrence Harris, R5 Studios, Dean Bishop, good morning. What a absolutely crazy day yesterday at the close. I mean, look at this. This was, by the way, guys, I've got it on my chart in bold letters. Just FYI, this is for everyone. If we start seeing price go basically to the 780s, anywhere 18,780s, don't trade prop accounts. Don't do it because that's getting really close to the 2%, 2% close to the limit down where the market will be halted. And a lot of prop firms have rules about not trading when we're 2% close to a limit down. So I put it in bold. If we get close to this price, don't touch it, folks. Don't touch it. You can trade Tradeify. Actually, no. They just put out a statement last night. They put out a statement last night. So this is what their statement says. At Tradeify, we have not previously implemented a 2% price limit rule anywhere on our terms and are now doing so for everyone to know how they work. Again, while we don't have a current rule on this, whenever equities reach a 5% move either up or down on the day, trading is prohibited at most firms. Yada, yada. Kindly take caution. I mean, I guess he did say, again, we do not breach you if you hold before a halt. However, if you lose your account during these times, you will not receive a reset or any help regarding that account. So I guess that's true. Tradeify technically, thank you, JMU. Good morning, JMU. So technically, Tradeify, you can, but you probably shouldn't. But yeah, I didn't read that correctly the first time. So technically you can trade, but do it at your own risk. What a crazy day, folks. Buckle up. Women and kids off the plane first. By the way, guys, I got new lighting. Do you guys like the background lighting better? We have new lighting set up now. Nothing from Apex. Apex has always had that rule. So, in summary, we don't recommend trading if NQ goes below 18,769. Yes. All right, market is open. This is going to be probably the most critical part of the day is going to be the open. And we are seeing a move higher, which is good news. If we start ripping lower, that limit down could hit. And then I don't know what we do. Lighting looks way better. Let's go. That's what I think. Hide your wife and kids. That's right. Advice been waiting on approval for 7 business days. It's a little bit longer than usual. But, Faisal. I mean, that's kind of like, yeah, if you don't see anything the next couple days, you can send me an email. I can see if I can help. But man, look at this thing ripping higher. We opened right here at the 924s, and we are all the way back up to the 900s. It'd be crazy today. You know this market's gonna be insane. I requested Wednesday last week for 1 payout, and I've been under review since last Thursday. That's crazy, Matty Matt. Really? I guess I better be prepared to wait for a little bit. Last time I requested, it took 4 days. Last time I requested, it was 4 business days. So, I don't know. Yeah, so let's see what happens. Obviously, the overnight session went great. All right, went way better than yesterday. Actually, here's what almost all my money I made right here from the overnight session. I literally just shorted. When the market opened, I shorted 1 micro, and I made like 290, 350. It was crazy. But I didn't even realize how close we were getting to the limit down. And once I saw that, I was like, yeah, maybe we shouldn't trade. We were playing with fire, and I didn't even know it. All right, market, we are right here at the VWAP, 19,000. Very important level. Let's see what happens. Woo, this market, this is going to be insane, folks. I knew I should have bought puts on Apple yesterday. Could have had a 20x. Yeah, it's crazy. Almighty, you guys like my thumbnail? I felt like today warranted doing a kind of an extreme thumbnail. Good morning, Amelia. Good morning, Jan. Oh, thank you. The clock. We forgot about the clock. Thou shalt have a clock if thou want a clock. Here we go. 9:45 and 10 o'clock news today. Thank you, Black Coffee. That is true. But man, so yesterday, it was so crazy last night because I mean, so here's the 15-minute chart. And I actually caught, so if you didn't watch my recap from yesterday, so yesterday when I ended stream, we were down, I don't even know. What were we down? Like $1,100, something like that. And I was stubborn, but I thought we were going to make new highs. So I kept holding, and I ended the day basically when we were all the way up here. I stopped trading for the day, and I basically had I don't know, what was it, $300 loss? I ended up with a $300 loss on the 3 accounts, or on these Tradify accounts, which I was more than happy with. I'm like, dude, I will take that. But then right in the middle of recording my recap, I mean, this thing dropped 1,000 points. I have never seen anything like that. That was crazy. Actually, the market got halted while I was recording. Yeah, Carolina. I was freaking out, man. It was so crazy. Is that the real me in the thumbnail? It is me, but it is AI generated. So the AI generated software that I use, like I uploaded like 10 pictures of myself, some of me smiling, some of me just looking stoic or whatever. So I uploaded, and then from side views, front views, left side, right side. So 10 different angles that I take a picture of. And then I upload it to this AI software. And then I can tell it to give me any facial expression I want, and it'll do it. Pretty cool. Called Pixels. PIKZELS.com. I've been trying it out. I don't know. I I get pretty crazy with it, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure I'm safe. I'm not sure I'm safe to have this kind of software at my disposal. You guys might see some pretty wild thumbnails. Yeah, Jenna. I mean, yesterday was a prime example of me, like, afterwards looking back at yesterday's trading. It's a good example of understanding, a that's not how I want to trade. Like, I hate trading that way. I actually hate it. I'm not, I'm just thankful that things didn't end worse, but that is exactly the recipe to blow up. It is exactly how I blow up, because if the market sells off, that, I don't know, I probably blow those accounts if we sell off like 200 points or so. So, not exactly what I want to be doing. I will just I will take it, but make mental note not to do it again. Can you explain again how you got the limit down? How do you mean? You mean how I got the price? So the CME actually has, oh, I was looking at it earlier. I knew I should have saved that tweet. Yeah, I don't see. Hmm. Man, I can't find it. Anyway, they have it somewhere. But basically, so we will see the market halted at 18,300 something. I think it's 18,370 something. But then if once we get 2% close, once we get within 2% is when prop firms, basically, you can't trade prop firms once you get 2% close to the limit down, which to my calculation is this 18,772, or at least it's close to that area. I made myself safe. But all right, market. Not really. I'm not really interested in trading this morning. The only accounts that I am going to be focusing on today, obviously, we had a great, these take profit trader accounts. We are locking those in, and I'm not sure if I'm going to request a payout on all of these. I might wait till end of the week, and then on Friday I will request a payout on all of these. Um, I think that's what I'll do. Not sure yet. But also remind me, guys, today, remind me to do the giveaway for the chat trading today. I apologize. I forgot yesterday. Hey, UCLA Trades, good to see you. Good morning. I've got an itch to trade and the need to scratch it. Buy some evals, Matty Matt. Don't be trading your funded accounts or I will come right through this screen and I will slap you right upside the head. Don't make me do it. Ugh. All right, I'm trying to. Anyway, I'm trying to find where I said that. Anyway, whatever. All right, I am sitting on my hands. I will only, we will be focusing on trading only these 3 Tradeify accounts. These 3 Tradeify accounts. Here's what we need to do today. And again, we're going to try to do this, but I'm going to do it responsibly this time. I promise. I promise I'm going to be more responsible than I was yesterday. Knock on wood. I need like $550 profit in those 3 accounts. If I can get $550 profit today and $550 profit tomorrow, then I can request a payout on all of these Tradeify accounts Friday night. Kind of want to do it, try to put food on. We got to make sure we can, got to make sure I can take the family out for dinner Saturday night and make sure we can put food on the table. Is your Take Profit Pro a static account? No, it is not. So one thing, I actually should reach out to Affordable Indicators. So this is not correct. The from closed, this is not calculated correctly when it comes to the Take Profit Pro accounts. The Take Profit Pro accounts, the software that I use to track all my accounts, it tracks it like it's an end of day account, but it actually isn't. So technically it's not. Don't pay attention to the from closed on these Take Profit Trader accounts. Try maximum risk on one account. How many contracts do you use on the 150K Tradeify accounts? Daryl, the overnight session, all of this trading was literally 1 micro. But usually I would trade 4. Usually I trade 4 micros on these 150. But I have traded up to 12 micros. Just depending on the situation, I have traded up to 12 micros on these 3 150s. And I think I'm actually, hang on, I want to check something. All right, market pulling back here. Yeah, so these Tradeify accounts, so these 150K accounts, where can I see how many payouts I've gotten from these? Is there a way to see that? Oh, wow, I didn't even realize we've been trading these Tradeify accounts for 60 days now. And as you can see, I need like 12, whatever this amount is. So I need to get to 9,000 in profit. but I can't make more than 600. I can't make more than $600 today on those accounts to stay under the consistency rule. That's going to be important. So around 570 would be perfect, and then make 570 again tomorrow, and we'd be locking it in. Where can I see how many payouts I've taken? Can I not see it? Maybe here? Okay, so here, so this was 1 payout, and this was 2. This was 3. Okay, so we would be, if we can, we would be requesting our 4th payout on those accounts. I'm not sure when they put you live. I'm not sure. Do they will they mandatory? Is it mandatory to that they will put you live when you get to like a certain amount of payout? I have no idea. But on the 50Ks, this would only be our 2nd payout. And on those accounts, I need to get. Anyway, I'll figure that out tomorrow. I need to get my calculator out. Hey, good morning, John. How we doing? John, what is tilt about? Uh-oh. What happened? See me. I have seen many limit down moves though. At least, oh wow, John, are you serious? You've seen at least 10 I can think of. That's crazy. That's crazy. Wait, the movie Floored. I need to watch that. I'm not on tilt, John. I'm chilling. We chilling. Had my worst day ever trading yesterday, Grande. I'm sorry, man. Yesterday I could have had my worst day trading in a long time. I got lucky, and I don't even mind admitting it. Sometimes trading is partially lucky. That is people that think there's no luck involved in trading are delusional. There is definitely some luck involved with trading, no doubt about it. All right, here we go. Looks like we are pulling back. We tested the 19,060s. Again, I mean, I don't want to see this sell off, because if this gets down to this amount, this 18,772s, then we're basically done trading for the day, right? Unless we get back above it, I guess. Maybe we could then go, but don't really want to be crazy. We do have news at 10 o'clock, so be careful. 891 to 911 is a buy zone. Yeah, I could see that. Right down to that open. Like gambling, where you can pick the time probability works best. Yeah. In the short. Hey, least estimator. Did we hit the CME limits? No, we have not. At least not yet. At least we haven't. Not yet. Got about 200 points lower before 5%, which isn't a limit down for the market, but for trading prop firms, that's where you don't want to be trading. Let's see our Apex accounts, and let's see if we have any. I'm assuming I'm under review. Yep, under review. We have 130 days traded now. And this is getting a little tempting here to jump in. Again, I will be going very cautiously. And not going to be greedy here. I want to see this push above the 20s. If we don't, I'm just going to kill it. I am not going to get greedy here. We have news in 10 minutes. Don't want to be in this trade for too long. Come on, go. All right, I'm going to kill it. Why? Oh, I'm showing you guys the wrong screen. I'm sorry. Jeez. I knew I might do that today because I keep yeah, I forgot that I have my different scenes. So this is now my alternate view. You guys can see, and then is the normal view, alternate view. Looks like a completely different room when I switched the scenes. Oh man, I should have held. This thing is looking like it's gonna rip now. We had a good entry. We had a good entry. But yeah, today my plan is just kind of scalp. I am not going to try to hold. I mean, if I see a good move and we can get a runner going, I'll take it. But do you like the darker background? Interesting. All right. Time to pay attention. Does that? Sorry, Red Poker. I was on the wrong chart. All right, let's see. We are just, yeah, we're still inside that. We need to get all the way back up above this 180s, which is very possible. Very possible today. We could also see them. Also, look at the daily chart, guys. Look at this daily chart. Crazy. I'm not sure why. It must be because it happened after 4. But it's kind of weird. I feel like this candle should actually be red. Not sure why it's why. I mean, it must be because it should be interesting. I mean, if we zoom out, we have a level down here at the 18,500s and then at the 18,100. Going to be two very important levels. I don't know. I don't know, man. It's gonna get crazy. This market is gonna get crazy. Apple is smoked. Uh-oh. Let me look. What? Apple is down 9%? Jeez. Man, it's crazy. Nvidia is down only 5%. Tesla's only down 3.8%. Yeah, I don't know, man. We live in some interesting times. Hey, DL, how we doing? Good to see you. Great time to buy into some of these killer companies. I mean, that's true. Honestly, I feel bad for those that are getting like that basically are ready to retire and their 401ks, if they were still in aggressive growth here from February, I mean, this is that's going to hurt. That is going to leave a mark. All right. Pulling back once again here. I might short here the next time we test. We have 3 minutes till news, by the way. I don't think the news is news. Well, I guess the news is red folder event. ISM service PMI. I can't imagine it's going to go too crazy because it's already crazy. Who do you use for your charts and platform? Oh, man. Why does my tape profit trader have a 10-minute delay? That's weird. It definitely shouldn't. Yeah, our age. That's kind of the thing. If you're getting really close to retirement, I mean, right now, if you're just starting your retirement, this market sell-off is pretty good for you, actually. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens here on the news. Why is it good if you just retired? No, I'm saying it's good if you're just starting to like sorry, I said it incorrectly. It's good if you just started putting money into retirement. Like if you're young, let's say you're 20 years old and this is the first year that you are putting money into a 401k, this kind of market is actually good news. Hey, approve your payout, deduct from account. Now I can trade. Let's go, RH. Good luck, sir. All right, market trying to get. Let's see what happens here at the news. We got news in 10 seconds, fellas. Be careful. Oh, there it is. Big rip lower, but might be a fake out. Man, this is tempting me to go long. This is a fake out. Are we getting a fake out here? Holy Lido. I can't move my stop fast enough. I got trapped there. Did I get trapped? And this market is crazy. It's easy. I don't like it. Wild. But do I want to have this big of a stop? Like manually. And if we don't get going here, I'm going to close it. I'm out. Wait, why is my one account is way off? All right. We come test this opening range again, and if it holds, we'll look. Not sure why I'm kind of long biased here this morning, but I think we go higher. I think now it's going to rip. You know what? Let's go. I'm going to switch to the strategy I had yesterday. Let's enter with 1 micro so we can DCA if we need to. With this kind of volatility, I kind of like that. The Canadian dollar is absolutely ripping. Oh, really? You're bullish all day, least estimator? Yeah. Hey, Citizen Zero, good morning. Booking Trades, good morning. You got around 1K invested in indicators with affordable indicators? That's, I mean, was it necessary to call me out like that? I don't think it was. Let's just say I have spent money in way worse ways. All right. Now we need to hold this opening range right here. This is starting to get dangerous. If we can hold this, this is where kind of where I want to buy. Manually going to be entering and exiting here. We're going to have some puckering opportunities here. Basically right here, the 880s is where I would add. When I see this wick down a little bit and then trap the shorts and rip this thing higher. Or we're just going to get destroyed. That's the other option. Come on, market. Let's see the bulls step in here. Come on. Come get it. Gotta see a pop right here. Gotta go. Is also where we will trap the longs. Could trap the longs here, so gotta be careful. And market stalled. 90% off would be great. Yeah, that's yikes. What was the NQ level to watch out for? I have it on my chart as the 18772. That's kind of where I'm not going to keep trading. All right. Is not ideal. And I will add right here the 880s. And then from there, we just going to have to take our loss if this just absolutely rips lower. Definitely playing a dangerous game here. It just pretty soon the entire market will be 90% off. On my order entry system on NinjaTrader 8, what do you use and how do you trade micros when on the NQ chart? The default. So this is a Affordable Indicators has a chart trader. And with this chart trader right here, see how it says micro right here? It's a pretty cool feature. If I click it, then it goes to minis. If I click it here, it goes to micros. So it's a simple click of the button that it switches between micros and minis. Don't ask me how they do it, but all I know is it works. Like it. Come on, market. Gotta see. I want to see this back up above that 19,000s. I don't mind. Again, I'm gonna add one more at the 880s, and then gonna do some hope and praying that we don't just absolutely just hopefully we don't hit limit down. Oh. Yeah, booking trades. Yep. No problem, B. And I need to use the restroom. I need to use the restroom, but I can't leave the trade. Can't leave this trade. What's going on, market? Come on, market. Got to do something. Hey, Yosh Trades, nearly 400 people. What? Oh, let's go. Hit the like button. I don't usually try to be a like whore, so like it or not, whatever. All right, market. Got to get going here. Either give me the 880s or rip this thing above the 19,000s. Definitely trying to hold up here, but I would have liked to see this thing ripping higher by now. The fact that we're just kind of sitting here is not good for the bulls. It's the longer that we just sit around here at this level, the bigger the chance is that we dump. But let's just be chilling here. Got all right. Here we go. 890s. Let's see. We gonna add one right. We're about 100 points away from that limit down. Come on down. Papa, get in that. Now is the time. Now is the time, market. If you would please go up to the 19,000s would be great. And I'm trying to think. I'm gonna have to manually close this. I don't like that. Like how this is reacting here. Are we gonna dig ourselves a big hole here at the beginning of the stream again? Really would love to avoid that. Come on, bulls. Step in here. Let's go. Starting to make me nervous. We should rip here. It's not doing it. Ooh. Have to close this. I'm a little bit worried that we're going to go down and we're going to wick down below these lows. We're going to take out the lows and then we're going to see this thing rip higher. I don't know if I can hold through that. I'm not sure I can hold through it though. That's the problem. But we're going to try. Let's see. Very risky. Every little push higher is just immediately getting sold. Not in good. I could just kill it. I could just kill it here and take my small loss. Stick it out. Yeah, gonna hold. Come on, get above this 910. Get above the 910s here. Do it. Go, baby. Rip it. Rip it. I'm not seeing what I want to see. This is definitely... Okay, there it goes. Okay, now go, baby. That's more like it. Go, baby, go. Don't fake out here, please. Go. Go. All right, taking one off. Now we're gonna see if we can't get this thing to. Just want to see it keep going. Just keep going. Might take the other one off up there at the 980s. Go, baby. Just rip it. Got to get above that EMA now. Come on. Rip it. Don't stall here. Come on. Don't stall. It's making me nervous the way this is reacting to the 21 EMA. Come on. Gotta get above the 940s. Gotta get above that 940s. Not sure how I want to do this. Do I just want to... I love my entry here. I like my entry here. I'm going to try to hold. Come on, go. Go, baby. Gotta rip it here. Come on. Just do it. Being difficult. Come on. Come on. Gotta go right here. I might have to close. If I close, you know we're going to the 19,000s. If I don't, we're pulling back again. The win, it's a lose-lose situation. This is starting to make me think we're going lower again. Trying to give it as much time as I can here. And what I do. Okay, this is it right here. We either got to go back or this take me out. Come on, right here, go. Hey, moment of truth. I guess we just take the L if it's gonna rip. And I hate that. Could have taken my profit up there, I guess. Mm. Come on, right here. Do it. Man, this trade. This trade, man. It's playing with me. I mean, I'm okay now. I think I'm just going to leave it. If I get stopped out here, I just... Only thing is, like, do I keep my stop right here? It's kind of the aggressive play is to keep my stop here and then add another one here. I don't know. I don't know, man. Feel like it's kind of the risky play to do that, but I might just have to kill it. All right, I'm out. Don't like it. Don't like it. We should have ripped there, and I don't know, guys. Be careful. This thing could snap lower, and we could hit the limit down for the prop firms, not for the market. But we could take out that 18,772 pretty quickly here. If we lose the 840s, 830s, I mean, I like the entry here. I do like it, but just can't really justify. I don't know. I might have regrets on that, but I feel like it's just a little bit too risky of a trade. Until you have a minimum of 500K payouts, adopt a no-runner policy. I mean, it also makes a difference if you have one micro or if you're doing a mini. If I have a micro for a runner, I'm more likely to like keep it, try to get it going. With a bigger size, just taking your profits is probably the best way to. But yeah, runners are crazy. I don't know. I have a love-hate relationship with runners. All right, here we go. Let's see. I mean, if we look at it from the other perspective, we should be looking at shorting anytime we get close to this EMA. What we really should be doing. We're just slowly selling off here. And there's the pop. There's the pop back up. Ugh. Watch me. Now it's going to rip. Oh, man. It's unfortunate. I love runners, and only because I got 155 points on one yesterday. Yeah, exactly, Matty Matt. That's why we keep doing runners. If you get a runner going and it goes, and it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun, man. Oh, this is... And why did I let myself get talked out of that trade? That was... I like that 880 entry. I really did. And we could still pull back here. All right, we just need to sit on our hands. There's going to be many opportunities today. Runners are the downfall of civilization. It's funny. AMZ316. On your top 10 payouts from last month, you said one guy had 1 million on only one, I think, $300,000 account. Could he take 100% profit after 4 payouts? Yeah. I think it's on the 5th payout. Yeah, I think so. Either on the 5th payout or on the 6th payout that you can take the 100% profits. Yeah, B. I mean, and do we take another stay? Makes me sad that I didn't hold that. Should have held. Gonna rip up through the 19,000s. Watch. FOMOing into this. We're FOMOing. We're doing it. Could be bad. And that looks like a trap now. Volatility is actually not crazy terrible. Like, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Uh-oh, you guys, we don't go here soon. I'm just gonna take my small loss here and consider it a learning experience. Definitely FOMO'd into this, but I still like it. Okay, there we go. Now go, baby. Ribbit! Come on. Come on, market. Do it. Pretend like you want to go higher at least. Just can't seem to get going. Need one of them big green candles. Oh, come on. Reminds me of yesterday afternoon. It reminds me of yesterday afternoon. Like, gives you hope and then nope. It's the hope and nope strat. I hate those strat. I hate it. Nothing worse than when the market just gives you enough hope to keep you hanging around before it just absolutely rug pulls you. Like it's doing right now. All right, do we just have to take the L here? Can't get something going on this candle. We got 30 seconds to do something. Yeah. Might take a reverse. I might hit the reverse button. Got 8 seconds. 8 seconds to do something, market. And it closed green by a whisker. This gave me hope. This market is in. Oh, you are crazy, market. Come on, now go. Jeez. What is this? Go higher. Rip it. Come on, do it. Get me above that 19,000 or 18,970s, 960s. Just go. Oh my goodness. This is frustrating. It reminds me of a sports team fan rooting for their team. How I feel sometimes. All right, I'm getting out of that trade. That's just ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. I did not expect this kind of choppy price action today, to be honest. I thought we'd see a little bit cleaner moves. But we might want to keep, maybe we keep going lower, I guess. Huh. Bad. This is real bad. You're short. Hey, it's fine. I don't mind the shorts here. I don't mind the shorts here at all. Have your target set for the 860s. Like that. But right now, I mean, this is untradeable right here. Crazy. We gonna make new lows. It's crazy. Like the volatility is actually not that bad right now. Almost feels, I don't know. Feels very, it feels weird. Not what I expected. Which makes sense. That's usually what happens. Just slowly bleeding lower. Here he goes. Short was definitely the play there. I'm just being stubborn, I guess. I can really tell a difference in your screen lag time on my charts with your fiber connection. I hope so, Ralph. I sure hope so, because we should be. And once I get start of next week, you should see even better quality than you are seeing. Even I'm hoping. And look at that, all the way back down. It really. Why am I so short? Why am I long biased? I'm not sure. We're obviously in a downtrend here since the open. You keep rejecting off that 21 EMA, and I think I'm just long biased because I don't want to see a limit down. That sounds very bad, but that's kind of how I feel. And there we go. New lows, 860s now. I'm just going to wait. I am just going to wait here. Actually, you know what? Right now would not be a bad time maybe to do the giveaway. What do you think, guys? Should we just do the giveaway now? Oh, really? RTY currently has a limit down on it. I see. Opinion on all of these prop firms opening up, Sean Light the Pants. I mean, again, why 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 use new prop firms? That's I mean, I'm not going to be using them. I can assure you that. Now, ask me 9 months from now. 9 months from now, let's see who is still around. Let's see who is still like give it 9 months. I'm just not going to jump on any new prop firms. And I mean, I hate to call people out, but if you see influencers promoting new prop firms, I just that to me is just a red flag. I don't know. I don't To me that's just irresponsible. Why would you like you don't have any information or any data to really know if the prop firm is legitimate or not. Like it just I hate just my opinion, but I really don't like seeing when influencers just jumping on the new prop firms and promoting them, especially when they're having like an MLM pyramid scheme for affiliates. That is so bad. I'm telling you guys, it is not going to end well. It is not going to end well. And because here's the thing, I know why they're doing it. And it's not because they think the prop firm is great. Okay. Don't let them believe, don't believe that BS. Because even, here's the other thing. There are some prop firms out there that have been around for a year, but they haven't really been notified. Like, just because they've been around a year does not mean they're legitimate. If you start seeing a bunch of influencers promoting them and they have these pyramid schemes for influencers, huge red flag. Don't do it. I'm pretty disappointed with some people that they're promoting that stuff, but what can you expect? Those same people were also promoting fast track, so I guess take notes. Maybe I don't know. You know what? Do as you please. Do as you please, but just be aware. All right, guys, this is just continuing lower. We are getting closer and closer to this limit down, and it makes me sad, but yes, we might just not get a chance to trade. Yeah, that top one prop firm rules, it's bad. That top one is the one that you're going to see. Here's the thing. I don't know what you know what, I'll say it. Don't think there are some out there that are now promoting and being affiliated with those prop firms. All influencers, not all, but most of us had the same opportunity that they are taking, but there are enough red flags to say no. But some people just overlook those, and it's for a really easy to see reason. And it's, I don't know, it's just, I don't like it, obviously, but I guess to each their own, but it's just, it just makes me sad to see. Sad, but I should not be surprised. Yeah, Phil, is Take Profit Trader legit? Yeah, FTH. I mean, they've been around, they're very legit. Again, like, that's what I always say, like, there's enough prop firms that we know are legitimate that you don't need to run to these new prop firms. Why? Like, I mean, if you do, I guess, if you do, just do it small, dip your toe in the water and test it out. And just because someone got a payout, that doesn't automatically make them legitimate. Like, I mean, do we have to rehash? Do we have to revisit Fast Track again? I remember Fast Track. I remember the beginning. Everybody was saying how they're the best thing since sliced bread, and oh, they're so great, and why, there were red flags there. I don't care what you say. There were a lot of red flags there. There were only those that wanted to see it and those that didn't. But man, this is really, we're about to test the overnight lows. Here are the 820s. I don't see how we don't go test that 772s, man. Makes me sad. I don't want to see this, but it is what it is. Yeah, I mean, there's enough legitimate prop firms. And the thing is, so the thing that you guys have to remember, the new prop firms that are coming out, they are going to be forced to offer something that isn't currently available. Doesn't mean that they're a better prop firm, because we have seen the prop firm space for a long enough time that we know what actually is able to, as prop firms that come out and offer you everything and offer you easy rules, we've seen that's not always the best because it's not sustainable. So they really are not, if they start offering something that other prop firms aren't offering, that's a red flag. And it really makes you question it if it's sustainable. And we have Top Step, we've got Apex, we've got Take Profit Trader, we got My Funded Futures. You've got Apex. Like there's enough out there that with different rules, different strokes for different folks, that I just don't understand why the attraction. Or again, now 9 months from now, a year from now, maybe one of them will rise up out of, maybe one will rise up and prove that they're legitimate, then that's okay. Like that. But is it worth trying to find out which one that will be, or just sit on the sidelines and see for your, you're going to eventually see who is legitimate and who is not. And they are not all going to survive. Which means chance that a similar situation happens as Fast Track, and don't be the one holding the bag. And here we go. Everybody ready? Again, 18,772s. If you're trading prop firms, I would stop trading right now, because there are 2% close to limit downs. Most prop firms will not allow you to trade this, so don't do it. Day traders, I wouldn't touch them with a 10-foot pole. Is he even live, or is it a tape? What do you mean? Yeah, limit down. I mean, the limit down is down at the 300s. Just to be clear, when we hit this is not a limit down for the market. This is a limit down red flag for prop firms. So there's a difference. We are not going to be, the market will not be paused once we hit this 18,772. But if you're trading prop firms, this area is where you want to avoid trading, because if you trade below this amount, there is a chance that your account will be closed, or at minimum, your profits will be forfeited. So just don't do it. For which prop firm? I'm pretty sure Apex has a limit down. Like, I'm pretty sure they do. Don't trade Apex. Don't trade. Wait, Take Profit Trader is 7%? I don't think so. I think it is even on evals. I'm not sure on evals. At least for Apex, you can keep trading evals. Evals is fine. But on funded accounts, don't trade funded accounts, guys. Right now, we're getting very, very close. Don't trade your funded accounts anymore. I would highly suggest that you don't. Even on Tradeify, I wouldn't do it. Not worth the risk. Is it actually, Carolina, that Take Profit Trader? Okay, I will look into that. Hang on. Okay, Take Profit Trader. Let me see. Serious volatility. Today's email is just a quick reminder for those who have asked. Volatility does not change our payout rules. You can still get in, get out, and get paid daily. Price limits here. Okay, so they do have 7%. So I guess you can keep trading your take profit. Oh dear. All right, there it goes. At least for Apex, I know Apex has a 2%. I know Top Step does. I know My Funded Future does. So just, I guess you can still keep trading take profit. I'm not going to. But man, the move was definitely, I don't know what I was thinking. I think my bias was just, I did not want it to hit this, because if we hit this, I've kind of told myself that I'm going to stop trading for the day if we hit this. So I just didn't want to see it hit. Oh, man. So what are the rules with Apex? With evals, it's fine. But with funded accounts, do not trade on your Apex accounts. Funded accounts. Queek Gaming, how you connect Take Profit Trader technically to your Ninja Trader? Queek Gaming right here. Go to your connections, go to configure, and you will see something like this. If you have a Tradeovate, you just click on the Ninja Trader. You put in your Tradeovate login credentials on your username, password, and you hit apply. That's it. That's all it takes. And what a crazy. I mean, the thing is, this wasn't really just a crazy sell-off. It was just a slow and steady move lower this morning. Honestly, I'm pretty lucky that I didn't get trapped in this any worse than I did. Why is that? What is the limit down, Eagle Eye? So it is when the market hits a 7% up or down, the market will be paused. And some prop firms like Apex, they have a rule. If you get within 2% of that limit down, then you can't trade because it will basically, the volatility can be so bad. The reason that prop firms do this is if we get to a limit down and the markets do pause, if the markets get halted, if you are in a trade and the market gets halted, the chances that you will get liquidated as soon as the market opens is extremely high because of the spread that will be right at the open. So as soon as the markets get unpaused, that spread is so big that the spread itself can blow your account. So you really just don't want to, the prop firms just don't want you to be in a trade if we get to a limit down. So they basically make a rule, if we get to within 2%, no more trading. That's the reason. And you will, don't, I mean, good luck if you try to limit down. So, okay, here, thank you, John. So do not be in a trade near a limit up or limit down. Let me see. What? It just says near? Oh, geez. Well, all right. See, I think, and let me look. Hang on. Give me a minute. I think, I'm pretty sure. Let me find the actual terms of service because oh, where is it? Where is it? Yeah, my fund of futures just did the notification. So while it remains below 769, yeah, don't. Yeah, so my fund of futures just issued a warning. I don't. I guess I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Looks like Apex just says near. And I thought for sure I saw. And I thought it was 2%. Maybe I'm wrong. I might be wrong. But I mean, I think it's safe this way. Top step is 2% of the off the limit price, so top step is 5%, right? Yeah, I guess I see. Okay, I'm trying to find my actual term of service from Apex because I think in that they actually do show. Think they actually spell it out as 2%, but maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's not in there. Man, I wish I would have an updated agreement here. I don't have it. I guess I would suggest don't do it, but hey, current daily price. I want to see. Well, we're back above the limit price, so I guess technically you can trade. Does take profit trader have the percent limit up down rule? Well, according to what they said, that their limit up down rule is 7%, so you can keep trading. The 7% up down limit rule is, hang on, let me just find the information. I will find it here. So with the NQ, the reference price is 19,757 and 3/4. So let me just do the math. So the 7% limit down is 18,387. So let's just put it on our chart. I mean, that's quite a ways lower. We're a long way from that. Jeez. 387 and a quarter. Hang on. We'll make this color bright something. Bright yellow. Where's yellow? Yellow, and we'll make it 20. This will help everybody, okay? Now, what's the 5%? So this is technically so 769. All right. There we go. We officially have our data. 5% limit down is right here. 7% limit down is right here. If we get down to this point, we will see the market halt. You know what? I don't really think that's going to happen. That's pretty far. So right now we are sitting right at that 5% limit down. So again, this is where some prop firms will not let you trade if we go right. We're at this level. So be aware. But right now, this is just chilling right here. Let's And this is the first time we've had to put limit down orders, limit down notifications on our chart. So take profit trader will allow you to keep trading until we hit the 7% drawdown. So you can. A lot of people are mentioning time to go touch grass, folks. I'm a degenerate, so I'm going to keep trading because I can. Technically, take profit trader and Tradeify, you can still trade. So if you should trade, that's a different discussion. How about Apex? Honestly, I'm trying to get clarity on it. Right now it just says near. If you're asking, I would say be on the safe side and don't trade, but you think it's far away? Yesterday we were trading the 19,900s. Yeah, I know. What's another 400 points? That's true. That's true. It is true, but it looks so far away. It looks very looks like it's a long way away. Yeah, Apex evals, you're fine. Limit down would only apply to the current session. Limit down is from the close price. And right now, and this is correct. If you look on the CME website, it'll tell you what the actual close is. And look at this, go lower. 730s. All right, here we go. Sorry, I was distracted. This is, and I guess we just can't even trade. And actually, it does not cool, man. Hey, JT Irby, good to see you. I mean, I guess we can trade our Tradeify accounts. I guess we can. So do we just don't care about the 7% limit down, I guess. Yeah, you can't trade Top Step, My Fund of Futures, and I am not sure. So Tradeify just issued a message. It's this is what Tradeify just said. We are now below the level mentioned above and are getting closer to a halt on the market. This is my final warning to users who may lose their accounts in territory down here due to slippage / volatility / halts. Personally, I would hang it up for the day and touch some grass. So basically, I think if I read between the lines, I think what Brett is trying to say is it's time to full part it, boys. Let's go. Just kidding. Full part, here we go. Nothing nothing that a little DCA can't fix. Oh. Nothing a little DCA can't fix, fellas. But you can trade Tradeify. They're just saying you're pretty stupid if you do. And that would be me. I got a payout window I need to hit. I got a family to feed. What do they expect me to do? What do they expect me to do, man? I got a family to feed. We just look for a short here. I mean, I think I do. I'm dead serious, guys. Please don't trade. Don't look at me. I should actually. You voted for this. That's right, Jenna. How do you expect stupid people to make money? Oh, snap. Look at this rip higher. Oh, boys. Oh, we're back. We're back above. We can trade. Full port, fella. I'm kidding. Don't trade. I actually thinking about. I'm so tempted. I'm so tempted. Any word on Apex PA's Vector 22? I don't have any direct word, but just don't trade it. If you're not sure, don't do it. What is this? Look at us rip. Man, do I jump in this or not? Do I do it? And I might actually do it. Oh dear. I think we're going to rip. I really do. It's only one micro. A little bit of a pullback here. In with hmm. Ooh, I'm trying to be patient. Look at that rip. We went from the 720s to the 820s. I mean, literally 100 points just ripped straight up. You love to see it. Pick one account and full port. You've got plenty. Do you know why I have plenty accounts, Jake? Because I don't full port. Oh, man. I might actually do this. I might need to blur. I might need to blur my screen. I don't want you guys to. Could get ugly. Could get ugly, but I just want to. I want to see this get up above the 850s. I will add. I will add here, but it looks like we're trapping the shorts. And let's see, are we going to trap the longs or not? We'll find out the hard way. Go, baby. Don't make me look like an idiot. Really want to see this just rip. Keep going, baby. Keep going. We pull back into this like 790 area, then I'll add one. Maybe actually probably like 785s, something like that. Woo! Crazy how one micro, it's only one micro, and it's like making me pucker up. Come on, baby, go. Come on, baby. Push it. Give me a 100-point move here. I don't want to be greedy, but I want 100 points on this move. Come on, man. Pucker up, Buttercup. One micro, you're trading 4 minis? You're trading 4 minis. You need help. You definitely need to go, I don't even know where, but you need to go somewhere. That's insane. Go up, sir. Market. You're supposed to go that way. That way. Come on. Go, baby. Come on. Maybe I'm being greedy here. Am I being greedy? Probably. All right, I'm going to take it off. Let's not be too greedy. We'll see a pullback here. We got it. We'll see. Let's wait. Here's the plan. Here's the plan. We have a plan. Wait on a pullback, a retest of that 21 EMA. Then we'll go in again. And this isn't going to just go straight up. Is it? No shot. No way it's just going to go straight higher. I'm being greedy. Thanks for telling me, Ditus. I knew I was, but I just didn't want to admit it. I have the 21 EMA. Oh. All right, just now we just don't want to see this go straight higher. That's it. Come on down. It definitely is feeling, it is definitely feeling pretty bullish right now. Will it hold? I don't know, but I definitely like. I want to see us retest this 817 though, before I jump in. Might not even give me that chance, huh? SH, Sierra chart or NinjaTrader Replicanto good for copy trading different props? I guess I don't know about Sierra chart. I use NinjaTrader with Replicanto. Right, now we got to be careful here. Ooh, let's be careful. I'm a little worried about longs here. I'm gonna wait. It looks so scary. We're still in an obvious downtrend here, so I don't know. I probably shouldn't get too crazy. Let's draw. Basically touch the. Yeah, there's just no need to be aggressive here. What time is it? Oh, what? It's already 11:30? I thought it might be 10:30. I don't know what I was thinking, but hey, yes, Diego, we got home. Good to see you, Diego. It's been a while. Hey, Michael, the buffer on the 25 Take Profit Pro account is 1250, I believe. Yes. Yes, Mike. I believe that is correct. Yes, that is true, Fred. Quant Tower does allow you to have multiple connections with Rhythmic. I've always wondered, why doesn't Ninja Trader allow you to have multiple connections to multiple Rhythmic connections? I will always wonder why that is. Wow, look at that. Okay. The downside of this, I just didn't take my trade. I was too scared. Might still be able to get in this. All right, we got in. Now we wait. Kind of scary not to trade with a stop loss right now, but what we're doing. All right, let's go, baby. Go, go, rip it. Give me new highs, 860s. Want to see the 860s here. Could maybe be scaling or sizing up a little bit here. I could trade 2 micros, I think. Come on, go. Go, baby. Don't want to get greedy here, though. Don't. Okay, this like that. Now, go. Go. No, we might have to kill it. Difficult. There we go. Rip it, baby. You can do it. We believe. Go. Struggling here, and I might have to kill this. There we go. Come on. Get going. Go. 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 Let's go. All right. All right. We're getting there. We're slowly but surely. This is gonna be a long this is gonna be a long, hard days of work, folks. I can already feel it. It's gonna be a hard day's work today. We are gonna be working hard. Let's go, Michael. Green is green. That's right. Wait, John, what do we got here? Either way, guys, now that I wait. Oh, let's go. Let's go, Farming Simulator. I love it. I love it, John. I love it. By the way, I've been thinking about I have so many more options now that I have good internet. I'm still so excited about my internet speed. I apologize if I keep talking about it, but I'm so excited. I'm thinking like I could stream to multiple platforms now. I could stream to Twitch, I could stream to Twitter. I don't know, should I? Is there like a downside to doing that? I mean, it probably no one will watch, but you know, is there really a downside to it? Or is there, like, is that a bad thing or not? I don't know. Seems like you might as well, right? Fortnite, John, OnlyFans. I should have known. I should have known that's not. Yeah, we'll probably not do that. Might need to look into it. There we go. Get us a pullback here. And we get a nice pullback. I mean, I might need a chat moderator. I use a desktop. We have a very, very beefy computer, so I'm not worried about my... I can definitely... My computer can handle multiple streams. That's definitely not the problem. So, just a matter of... I don't know. I just need to do it, I guess. But we'll see. What speeds am I getting now? We're getting 1 gig up, 1 gig down, baby. It's the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. It's actually insane. Here's our pullback. Gotta be careful that we don't get trapped into sell-off here. And I feel like it's... All right, here we go again, boys. Go, baby. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Take your little baby gains. They will add up. 1 micro at a time, baby. 1 micro at a time. All right, we're going to take that. The moderators will get paid. You will get nothing and you will like it. You know what, guys, we need to... Well, right now is maybe not the best time to do it, but don't let me forget to do the giveaway today. All right. Will we make new highs? That's kind of what I'm waiting to see. Payout request sent for Apex. Let's go, JT. Are you asking if mine? Yeah, I did request a payout on these 5 accounts. Do the giveaway already so I don't forget. How much are we chat traders getting? Oh, let's talk about it. Here, let me open up. Let me let me tell you guys what kind of giveaway this is going to be. Also, so wow, I should have held, huh? Man. Okay, so I tried to do it the best and the most fair way possible. I will be open to your guys' input. So let me explain. Let me go through kind of my explanation here. So obviously, on this account, hang on, let me make this bigger so you guys can. Okay, so on this is for the chat trading, and obviously the chat trading, I can't, like, there were some of you that took some trades before the accounts were before this account was above the buffer. But I think of the $2,000, like 1,850 of it I made from trades that I took. So I think going forward, what I'm going to do is for the chat trading account, I'm going to try to just get the account to the buffer. And then from that point forward, I will turn the account over to you guys to do the chat trading. Because that way, if you, whatever profits you make, we can do the profit split. Because if not, I can't really do the giveaway on those account on any money that is made in the buffer, because I can't withdraw that. So I only pulled up the data on the traders that took trades after we were above the buffer, because that is actually money that we can withdraw. So that's what this is. So basically on the 24th, we had Kevin G. Kevin G made $163. So he gets $81.50. He gets 50% of what he made. Black Coffee made $35. He gets $17.50. Q4 Pilot gets 109. He made 119, so he gets $59.50. What's Up Bach? He made 188.50, so he gets 94.25. So the total payouts for the chat traders that actually took the trades will be $252. Now, the total amount that we requested, or the total payout, not payout, the total profit was $505.50. But once we took out the profit split, with the 80-20 profit split, the actual amount of money that I was able to withdraw from this account was $418.40. So we can give away $418.40 minus the $252 that will be going to these 4 chat traders. That leaves us a remaining amount of $165.65. And the profit split for first, second, and third would then be this amount right here. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Make the losers pay it back. I don't like that because we chat traders got it to the buffer. Actually, not really true. I actually am the one that got that account above the buffer, not the chat traders. So that's why it doesn't make sense. I can't do giveaways below the buffer. So from here on, I'm just going to be the one trading and getting it above the buffer. That way it takes that issue out of play. But does that make sense, everybody? If a chat trader takes an L, that'll mess up your profit split plan with the payouts. I know. I thought about that too. Now, let me just propose this to you guys. Let me ask you this. Because I did think about this as well, because obviously this time around, we didn't have any chat trader that actually took a loss. Everyone was net positive, so it makes this pretty easy to do. So now going forward, I actually thought about it almost makes it easier to just do the giveaway to people, the full giveaway. And basically, the chat traders don't really get, they basically get an automatic entry into the duck race where we will do the giveaway, but that's it. I mean, I feel bad. Look, I don't know. I don't really like that because now the chat trader is not really directly getting a benefit from it, but it's kind of the only way we can do it because if someone comes on here and has a loss, it's kind of messes everything up. And I don't really like that either. So I don't know how to do it. uh oh man, look at this thing go. Oh, we missed a couple opportunities right there. Pay attention here. Anyway, yeah, basically chat just don't lose. I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Like if we get there, we'll talk about it and we'll have to discuss on what we do. But I think going forward, I think what we will have to do is basically you will only any profits that is made through the chat trade, we will just do a random giveaway. And but whoever took trades, they get an automatic entry into the duck race. So you at least get that. At least all the winning traders. Maybe if you took a loss, you don't get an automatic entry into the duck race. How does that sound? Do you think that's fair? Obviously this time around we will this time around we will not do it this way. We'll do it how I said. Wow, look at this price. Oh, oh man, I missed it. I missed this trade here kind of, but it's okay. Now we just wait. I mean, we wait for pullbacks. We wait for pullbacks and we enter on the pullbacks and we try to ride this train, baby. But I do see this thing, the 15-minute chart. If we look here, one thing I see, we're coming up into this kind of downward channel that we put in. And this is kind of an interesting area where we might see a pullback. We have the 21 EMA and we have VWAP. And let's on the 15-minute chart. So, and we kind of have a downward trend here. So maybe I need to wait till we actually break this trend on the 15-minute before we look for more longs, just to be safe. But man, this is just going straight up right now. We are missing it. We are missing it. It's okay. It'll be all right. Okay, guys, Kevin G, I thought I saw you in the chat. Kevin G, Black Coffee Trader, I know you were in the chat earlier. Q4 Pilot and What's Up Bach. If you could type in the chat to just make sure that you're here, I will, okay, yeah, I thought I saw you. Kevin G. Black Coffee's there. I'm going to put in my email. Alex Baller. Wait, that's not the name I asked for. I'm looking for Q4 pilot and what's up Bach. Now we know Q4 pilot is actually an airline pilot, so he might be flying right now. So we'll just wait. We'll just wait till he shows up. Hopefully he'll show up here soon. All right, here we go. Testing the VWAP. What is the email address for? It's for those that basically let me Black Coffee Trader, Kevin G, Q4 Pilot, and What's Up Box. Send me an email with your PayPal email address. I need your PayPal email, and I will get you sent over your chat trading money. Let's go. Just send me all the money. And then we'll do a duck race here in a little bit to do the giveaway for the remaining funds. All right, we are getting a pullback. See how big of a pullback this. And are we really just gonna be doing these micro pullbacks now? Ugh. How does the chat trade work? So this account right here is a take profit trader account that is currently sitting above the buffer. And basically this one right here, we pick a chat trader of the day, and then he calls out trades. And then we share, once I take a payout, we share those profits with the chat. How do we enter for the duck race, Alex Baller? I will let you know. Nothing to do yet. I'll let you know. What VWAP indicator am I using? I'm using the order flow called I think there's some free VWAP indicators out there, but I sign up for the Ninja Trader monthly subscription. I think it's called the order flow. If you pay for that, then you get this VWAP with it. But I'm pretty sure there's some free Ninja Trader indicators for VWAP. So if you just Google it, or YouTube Google search it, I think it comes up. I use a free one, works fine. Yeah, you can use a free one. It definitely works fine. All right, I kind of I might take a stab here. Oh man, I missed it. Get a pullback here. Right, let's wait. Looking for that 8s right here. 865s. Take a stab at this. Hey, also, thanks for the subs today, guys. Sketchisms, Seminar, Ali, thanks for the subs. Also, you know, if you have nothing else to do right now and you're just, you know, you're just twiddling your thumbs, you're not sure what you want to do next, take that 2 seconds out of your time and hit that like button. I promise it will not hurt. Okay, this is starting to worry me just a little bit. Just a little bit. We hold this. Might add here at the 850. Then we have to be careful. There is a chance that we start to see this reverse. I do not want to get into that same mindset that I did yesterday. Just need to be careful that we don't get too biased. Not to get too long biased here. All right, has anybody seen What's Up, Bach? What's up, Bach? Are you in the chat? Hey, invested crypto. I appreciate it. Thank you. Anyone know how long it takes for Apex eval charts to properly update once you pass? Mitch James. So it should be at the end of the day. End of day, usually around 6 o'clock at night is when it should update. The first thing I do is hit the like button. See, Tech111, you're a real one. That's what I'm talking about. I love to see it. All right. Now I'm gonna try to see if we can't hold up through this 890, up through the 920s. Just keep going, baby. Go, 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 go. Take profit right up there at the opening range low. I'm struggling to get a payout from Take Profit Trader. You have no idea. Take Profit Trader was one of the most difficult prop firms for me to get a payout. Okay, that was rude. Why do you do this, Mark? We're literally right at my take profit, and now you pull back like this? Very rude. Might have to just take my profit here. Baby gain. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I hate when the market does this. That's like a failed attempt at new highs. That is not a good sign. Don't. It. That was frustrating. Is that a trap? I hope not. Now I'm actually considering going short. Failed new highs, breaking down through the EMA here. Might just take a stab short here. Do the old reverse-a-roo. Reverse-a-rooski. It looks promising. 11 o'clock. I'm long Alpine short. Oh, really? Well, I'm thinking about getting short. I'm really thinking about it. Yeah, I should have. That was definitely. Should have just taken my profit there instead of trying to get a couple extra ticks. I'm starting to think we go retest that 770 area maybe. Oh man. Traded right back into discount just to continue lower. Yeah. A duck race for a giveaway or a chat trader? I'm in need of an account. Right now we're gonna do the duck race for the chat trader giveaway. First place will be $82.83. Second place, $55.22. Third place, $27.61. Not a lot, but it's something. Maybe next time we'll wait to get maybe $1,000 payout and then we'll do the giveaway. Wouldn't it be cool if we got like a chat trader that made like $2,000 or something crazy? All right, I'm waiting. I am waiting here. Starting to feel like it did yesterday. I'm going to just reverse my bias and we're going to look for shorts. Ooh. Would not be cool since some random guy will win the race. No, we'll have to just cross that bridge when we. All right, now this is where I want to add one more. This just rips higher now. I'm going, and we totally overthought this, kind of overthinking it. Really? What in the world, man? Hey, this is do or die time. This makes new highs. There's not much to do other than take our loss, I guess. Now I'm starting to trap both ways. That's not what you want to see. I was trying to learn from yesterday. I was trying to learn from my mistake yesterday, but now I might get punished for it. Maybe not. Might we fail to get above this 910 area, then we might just have a good one. A big red candle here. I starting not to like this. Man, I'd be kidding me. Not cool, man. Not cool. Totally got played. We add one final time right here. one final take. Our L. Basically, our stop's going to be right here. It's going to hurt, though. Sure, I'm really ready to take that loss, but gotta put that there and take the L if that is gonna just rip higher now. That is on. Of course today. Yesterday we did exactly 8. Kidding me. Hey, maybe. Come on, baby. Sell it off. Come on. You can do it. Come on, just give me one of those huge red candles. You can do it. Do I protect myself here and take one off? One. Feel like it's come on. Come on. Go. Teasing. It's teasing me. I'm gonna take one off. Just, I don't know. I feel like it's the smart thing to do. Don't want to see this thing rip straight back up. Do not want to see that. This trade's gonna make me. Not good. Can funded traders still trade on Apex? As far as I know, yes. Yeah, right now I would not be concerned about trading Apex. It's unfortunate. It's a good old hope and nope strategy right there. A good old hope and nope. Do we add one more? One more time, baby. And I like the wicks that we're seeing up. Yeah, if it crosses VWAP, I definitely don't want to be in this. I mean, I might look to add one more right here. Once we just My stop would be like right here at this, like the 965s would be my time to just get out. I should have some background music. Yes, I should. I don't usually listen to. I don't. Give me a sell. It. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Right. Now let's see what happens. Moment of truth. Either we're gonna reject off of this hard or we're gonna rip right up through it. Oh. Teasing me. Now go. Just sell it off right here. Flush it. Give me one of those big red candles. Go test that limit down at the 770s again. Come on, you can do it. Ah. Oh, man. It's gonna be one of those trades, folks. Hey, Neo, good to see you. Ah, I hate this. Really starting to think we might get out of the trade. Man. This is frustrating me. Good. Thanks for the sub, Lima. Trading this kind of market, this kind of price action is so frustrating. I'm starting to feel like I'm on the wrong side of it. As long as we hold, as long as the VWAP, as long as it holds, there's no reason to get out. No reason to get out, even though I don't exactly like what I'm seeing. Gotta have faith here. Stick to the plan. Now go, flush it. Come on, market. Oh, it's gonna tease me. It's just teasing me every time. Oh my goodness. Really? Actually frustrating me. Flush it. Come on. Don't make me angry. Not make me angry. Nobody wants that. Seriously? About to lose it. I'm about to cut this trade for $10 profit, and then you know it's going to rip all the way down to the 780s again. You know that's what will happen, right? I'm dead serious about cutting this. Getting me way too frustrated. Please go. Come on. All right, go ahead and sue me. Go ahead and sue me. I closed the trade. Go ahead. Go ahead and rip lower now. I dare you. I dare you. You can't make this up. You literally could not make this up. You're pushing my buttons, market. You are pushing my buttons. Are you serious? Like, are we serious? Are we actually serious? You know what, guys? You know what? I got an idea. I am kind of sick and tired of this market right Okay, I feel way better now. I feel way better. All right, guys. Let's do a giveaway. Exclamation mark Nutty. Exclamation mark Nutty to be entered in the giveaway. This is for the chat trader giveaway. This is what we're giving away. First place, $82.83. Second place, $55.22. Third place, $27.61. And this is for the payout we took with Take Profit Trader, and that was taken by these chat traders. If you haven't already, Q4 Pilot, What's Up Bach, Black Coffee Trader, and Kevin G, send me an email. Obviously, I'm gonna say that if you were a chat trader and you are already getting money for your trades, that you are not eligible to be entered in the giveaway. I'm gonna make that executive decision. Hopefully that's okay. And we are breaking to the upside. Ow. Wowzers. Market seems to continue to be bullish. So we will look for longs. We will look for longs. Exclamation mark Nutty. Yes. Okay, black coffee. I got that. I'm going to add some time here. Again, we will be picking 15 people, and then we will be doing a duck race, and then first, second, and third. That's how we're gonna choose. So we will be doing the duck race. All right. I mean, I'm just gonna look for longs now. We are above the VWAP. Like, we just want to keep going higher. I assume we're gonna go test that high 19,061s. The overnight high all the way up there at the 19,180. The fate of humanity rests on a duck race. That's a lot of pressure for those ducks. A lot of pressure. Can only be entered one time, fellas. You can only be entered one time. So don't keep spamming Nutty, okay? All right, market. Give me a pullback. Let me get in on this fun. Okay, I'm gonna resume the entries. I realized I just, yeah, go ahead, re-enter. I forgot I only had it set for 2 minutes. I'll keep the giveaway or chance to get it entered for a little bit longer. We'll keep the giveaway. We'll do maybe 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes to get entered. 2 more minutes. At 12:19, we will close it. So, come on, market. Give me a pullback. on. Oh man, this is just not giving me any pullbacks whatsoever. All right, guys, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, and we will do the duck race. 30 seconds. Frustrating. Yeah, JY trades. I think you're right. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Look at that. All right. Giveaway is over. It's time to pick the names, fellas. And this is actually making me sad. I almost jumped in right here, but was hoping we'd get a pullback down to the 910s again. Happening. All right, let's pick the names. Do the duck race. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, here we go. The first name to be entered in the duck race is going to be Yogi Bark. Yogi Bark. Congratulations and good luck, sir. Next name's going to be Pedro Akhtar. Think. Anyway. Pedro. We're going to call you Pedro. Okay, the next one is going to be Nathan. Nathan White. Next name is going to be No Profit Trader. No Profit Trader. Good luck, sir. And the next name is going to be Elvin Garcia. Elvin Garcia. Good luck. Next name, Finsay Holdings. Finsay Holdings. Good luck. Next name is going to be Francis. Francis Musso. All right, let's go. Next name is going to be Leo Lighting. Leo Lighting. Good luck, sir. Next name's going to be Ricky. Ricky, good luck to you. And the next name is going to be Liquid Snake. Liquid Snake. And, all right, we need to eliminate 5. Don't worry, you're still in the duck race. Next name is going to be Samay Musso. Mauso. Next name is going to be Trading Ticks. Trading Ticks, good luck. Next name, Victor Hansen. Victor Hansen. Good luck, sir. And the next name, David Stinger. David Stringer. And the final name for the duck race is going to be Anna Tony Zubko. And there you have it. All 15 names. Now we just need to do the duck race. Here we go. Oh, this market. Real. All right, everybody. Are we ready? Are we ready? We go. Here's the list of names. Gonna do a 2-minute race. Everybody ready? Here we go. Here we go. And they are off. And they're off. Here we go. 2 minutes to go. First place, second place, and third place will get the money from the chat trading. That's where this is from. All right, here we go. 1 minute and 40 seconds to go. We got Yogi Bark taking the early lead. We have Alvin Garcia and Pedro. Pedro now, the Clown Duck. Clown Duck takes the early lead. Nathan White, and we have Sama Musso and Ricky trying to make a move, the Alien Duck. And we have a congested first place here at Nathan White, Pedro, and Yogi Bark. Now here comes Trading Ticks taking the lead. We got a minute to go. Leo Lighting now trying to make a move into first place, and he right now Trading Ticks is got the lead by a half a length, and here comes Leo Lightning. And we got a minute to go, fellas. It's time to make a move. Trading Ticks with a 1 length lead. Finsay Holdings now challenging, and he has taken the lead with 45 seconds to go. Here comes Yogi Bark. Here's Pedro. Finsay Holdings has a commanding lead. Francis Musso, we have a very congested second place finish. Here we go. 30 seconds to go. It's time. If you're reserving your energy, this is the time to make a move. Here comes Yogi Bark. Finsay Holdings is losing out. Here's No Profit Trader. No Profit Trader and Francis Musso now taking the lead. They're neck and neck with 10 seconds to go. Who will it be? Francis Musso. And now he's falling back. Here comes Pedro. The Clown Duck is making a push. And there you go. The Pedro Akar with the Clown Duck takes the win. What? That was a pretty good come from behind victory for Pedro. Man, I thought No Profit Trader was going to lock it up, but he lost out. And here we go. The final results, the official results, verified by third party and official results. No tampering was involved. Pedro in first place, Sama Musso in second place, and third place is Liquid Snake. There you go, folks. Thank you for playing. And I'm going to send the email now. Definitely was not rigged. Everything was completely on the up and up. All right, there's my email. First, second, and third place. Send me an email. Include your email address for your PayPal account and also a screenshot of your YouTube channel just to make sure it's you. Send that to me and I will get that money sent to you through PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, just send me, I guess, let me know what options you have available and I will try my best to get the money to you. Sometimes it's a little difficult if you live in a country that doesn't accept PayPal or Venmo or something. Can be a little bit of a problem, but we'll try our best. I have the SEC on the phone right now. Oh dear. The SEC has investigated this numerous times and we've always passed in flying colors. Zero concerns. Zero. They've always came back and said, they actually have given me reports that said they have never seen a duck race that is not like, there's never been a duck race that hasn't been more on the up and up and reputable. The best. Hang on. What's cracking, yo? All right. Say hi to everyone at least. There you go. Just take a seat. My tilt corn. I go on tilt, I have to see. If I'm making money, we are making money. You can buy more Fortnite V-Bucks now. Just kidding. Thank you. Thank you. Close the...
Order filled.
Sorry, I forgot that my sound was on. Who all just had a heart attack? Raise your hand if you just had a heart attack. Order filled. Got him. Got him. That was actually an accident. I meant to close one and I bought one more. All right, then now we're long up there, I guess. Whatever. John, you ended up going long because of it? You're welcome. You're welcome, man. Oh, I need to do that more often. I'm going to crank up my sound all the way up. Market, you're supposed to keep going up, by the way. Hello? I'm going to crank up all my sound all the way up as high as it can go. And without warning, I'm going to do order filled. Freak you guys out. What the heck is this, market? What is this? All because I added instead of selling one. That's unfortunate. It got me a little bit worried, but Ah, this mark. All right, now we're back to square one. All right. Really, market? And this is not what I wanted. Do I just get out here? Feel like I need to just bail. Starting to worry me. It's unfortunate. Ah, try one more time. One more time, baby, one more time. Dangerous game playing here. Come on, market. Pedro, check your email. um, Come on, market. This is starting to feel like it did yesterday. And do I just hold, I guess? Also, Kevin G. Kevin G, if you're still in the chat, I'm waiting for an email from you. Just need your PayPal email. Also, second and third place, send me an email, please. Unless you don't want any money. Definitely looking like the hope and nope strategy is in full effect here, but I'm gonna, I'm trying to hold through it. Definitely looking risky. Come on, push it up through that the 920s. Go, baby. Go, 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 go. Do it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Do it. Do it. All right, I'm going to take one off, and now we're going to let it run, and hopefully this goes. Come on. And will you share with us your VWAP settings? Mine looks off compared to yours. Really? Just the default settings says interval session standard. That's it. I don't know. Nothing else. Hey, come on, market. Go. Really don't want to. If this rips back lower, probably just need to bail. Maybe I just bail. Go, go. Fine, I'm gonna bail. I'm just gonna take that. I don't like what this price is doing. That's right, Trev. Tell him, Trev. Tell him. Wow, that really is gonna rip. I keep getting out of the trades I shouldn't. This that looks scary though. That looks scary. Let's go, Trev. It is definitely today has not been easy. That's definitely not been easy, but it's been better than yesterday. Yesterday was really bad. Wow, look at that. Look at that pullback. Give me a minute here, guys. I'm trying to get all the money sent out. Oh, what am I? This is looking scary. Oh, geez, I didn't know it was this many issues to get stuff sent. What the heck is going on? What a pain. Reason. This market ain't great. I want to just be sit. I'm done. Nice, nicely done, UCLA trades. First time here, Haldo. This is Ninja Trader. Is Patrick promoting something called Legends Trading, or is it the whole post? I don't know, Almighty. I do not know. And this market is looking very tricky here. I am happy to not be trading this. I am quite happy. All right, Mark. Sorry, guys. I am just trying to get this stuff figured out. I'm gonna try one more thing. If it doesn't work, then we'll figure something else out. I don't know what the. I give up. I give up. Man, I have no idea what is going on. All right. And we have continued lower. Oh man. If I trade with MFF, I don't currently, but I still think they're a good prop firm. But at the moment, I'm not really looking to add any prop firms. I kind of have enough on my plate the way it is, or I'm happy with where I'm at right now. What do you use to connect all your accounts like this? The Affordable Indicators account dashboard. There's a link down below if you're interested. Yeah, Francis, I do kind of agree. Our initial thought. Yeah, I might have to send the money U.S. Postal Service the way this is going. Some reason I can't send money using Cash App. Not sure why. But anyway, use crypto. Happened to me a few times, Dabda. Oh, really? They steal cash sometimes? I wouldn't be shocked. Does the Affordable Indicator allow you to connect multiple prop firm accounts in Intraday? I mean, Affordable Indicators doesn't have anything to do with the connections. It just takes whatever you have connected through NinjaTrader, and then it shows as an option. But no, NinjaTrader basically you can connect multiple Tradebait accounts, but you can only connect one Rhythmic account. Grandparents call and say they gave you $50. Well, this market is starting to just bleed lower again. And I don't like it. I might actually call it a day here, guys. And I'm gonna see I think I'm gonna end stream for a little bit. And I'm gonna check if around 1:32 o'clock the price action starts to look a little better, maybe I'll hop back on, but right now I'm just really not interested in this at all. Starting to look like we're gonna just kind of bleed lower, but not sure. I'm gonna just take a break for now and stay tuned. I might jump back on around 2 to 2:30. So we shall maybe possibly see you guys in a couple hours. Take care. Hope you guys all have a great day. Hope you're all green. And we'll be back. Take care and God bless.